Hey, I'm super excited to invite you for approximately 90-minute absolutely free masterclass on Claude Code from Anthropic for Agentic AI Mastery, mainly targeted for architects, developers, engineers who are ready to lead, but it's also helpful for anyone who is involved in a entire software development lifecycle, whether a project manager, program manager, or tester, QA, or anyone who is writing documentation or testing these entire software development lifecycle, because a lot has changed in last, especially last 6 months from Claude or Anthropic as an organization who released this Claude. So yes, on one side there are a lot of job losses because all those job losses are transitioning, or maybe because of AI assistant development workflow. So where the industry is moving. First and most important is what I see the challenge is people are not even ready or not even aware of where industry is moving and why these job losses are happening. So we'll start with what is stopping you in picking up these skills. Is it a lot of guys or individuals start with and say, hey, they are not even confident, or they're not even applying or looking at how the job market is shifting and not preparing. So we'll talk or begin with how how to prepare yourself with. So what? So let me talk through what we're going to cover in this. First, we'll look at why Cloud Code and what are the opportunities it creates. What exactly is Cloud Code even means, and how it's different from tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT that are available, that a lot of you guys are familiar, but some of you guys not even aware of about Cloud Code as well. Now, what is the AI assisted development workflow and how this plays a big role in the way softwares are being written or being tested or documentation being done. We'll also look at the agentic architecture and how Claude thinks and acts the models as well. And then we'll give you the entire path, right from basic beginners to all the way you becoming a proficient in that. So we'll things like foundation of Claude, and then how the foundation of agentic AI or AI basic concepts. Then setting up the development environment and an enterprise level. How do you design the scalable agentic architectures? Then from there, prompt engineering, big things, different type of prompts, as well as for mainly uh, building or writing down these prompt or setting up the entire prompt engineering and the environment for reliable agent behavior. Then AI powered, how AI can generate the code, as well as what are the engineering standards you need to set, because the code generation, if you're writing, asking agents to write, then there are some standards needs to be set as well. Then UI UX, and then experience in with generating your applications through AI. Also then for testers QA, automated testing and quality engineering, and then AI generated or AI driven documentation and visualization as well. And then finally, how do you integrate this in an enterprise world thing, including DevOps or ML ops, LLM ops, and new agent ops, and new things are coming from a entire development to operations to production going live, scalability, reliability. And then uh, next is about debugging, optimization, and continuous improvement on your software development lifecycle, and then governance, security, responsible AI. And then finally, doing project on actually implementing that in a real world agentic workflow so you can see how end-to-end these things work as well. And then we'll also talk about the only technical certification from Claude Code, which is technical or Claude Architect certified agentic AI or AI architect, what that is. And if you stay live, attend live and stay till end, there'll be a gift, which is for the certification exam questions from this architect certification. This will be also useful if even if you're not an architect, maybe if you're a developer administrator and want to move towards architect line, this certification is very helpful. So we'll give this entire roadmap for you to look and understand as well. Also, I'm releasing something which is very interesting. I've not done, so this is just one part, but then we go a little bit deeper in terms of we'll be taking up questions, and this is something I'm super duper excited. We'll talk about that towards end as well. So we'll talk about things like cloud for beginners. If you're new, what all things you should be working. AWS, which is the most in demand or the most adopted cloud from, because when you develop, a lot of these things these days are happening on cloud. So AWS, Azure, and then data, AI, machine learning from a beginner's point of view, including the certifications like AWS Cloud Practitioner or Azure AI, Azure Fundamental AZ 900 or AI 901, which is a new certification being released in late March, early April 2026 only from Azure point of view, including Python. What you should be doing if you're a developer, you can't get away with without uh, Python. So what all Python? The learning path for Python as well as the certification of the two certifications which I highly recommend, but everyone at least this beginner level certification, which is entry level AI specialist with Python, and then there is a more associate level as well. So as they say, it's not the strongest who will survive, but the most intelligent who adapt the change. So are you ready for the change as well? It's very, very important. And if you're new to me and you're watching this first time, I have close to 2.5 decades of IT experience. These are some of the clients I've worked across the globe, being from healthcare to banking to finance to all supply chain management and a lot of government organizations as well implementing that. And I've gone from earning, someone like you, gone from earning less than $100 a month back in India to then moving to UK in London, and then now earning 425, 500, 700, 8 in £1,000 a day here now. My journey has been ups and downs. I'm not talking about that, but this is to say whatever is coming from real world. I run a three-step framework to take you from being worried, stressed, not confident to super confident to then not getting interview call to helping you in getting interview calls and then finally clearing those interviews. And these are tried and tested methods. It's like Utkarsh got a job as a analyst, Steve, Devashish, SJ, she almost doubled her salary, and Shovik got a job as enterprise architect, Devesh, Dinesh, Mansoor, VP, lead engineering software, Shrija, from struggling in Canada to finally getting a AI or machine learning operations MLOps job, Malia, senior enterprise architect, Gopinath, Amol, Zeel, Srikar, Arthi, list on, Sneeka, Shivani, Shakuntala, and then I said hundreds and thousands of individuals like you, Shruti, job ready, and as I said, so if you're interested, the link should be below this video, or this should be somewhere. I think it's, if I'm not wrong, ketonacademy.com/um, Claude AI 10, ketonacademy.com// Claude AI 10. If it doesn't work, maybe some link, some other below this video. Thank you for watching, and then I look forward to see you in the free class. Super excited. Take care.